Today, me and Mr. Sam will be doing prestige detailing, dimming, color correction, and sealant protection on the Proton X50. Let's go!